You've tried it all. Counting sheep, warm milk, every meditation app on your phone, and yet it's 2 a.m. and you're staring at the ceiling, mind racing. You're exhausted but wired, frustrated that something so natural feels so impossible. But what if the real secret to a perfect night's sleep isn't about what you do right before bed? What if the answer has been hiding in your daily routine all along? Neuroscience has revealed the complex dance of hormones and signals that control sleep, and the good news is you don't need a PhD to understand it. You can take back control of your sleep, and it all starts the moment you wake up. Today, we're diving into the neuroscience of your internal body clock, or your circadian rhythm. This video explains how our modern lives have thrown it completely out of sync and provides a simple, science-backed toolkit to fix it. These aren't just tips, they're strategies to work with your biology, not against it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and why it works, so you can finally get the restorative sleep you deserve every single night. So what's the real problem? Deep inside your brain, there's a master clock called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN. Think of it as the conductor of your body's orchestra. This SCN directs your circadian rhythm, the 24-hour cycle that controls nearly everything, from hunger and body temperature to when you feel awake and when you feel sleepy. For millennia, this system worked perfectly. We woke with the sun and slept with the dark. The SCN had one clear signal: light. Bright morning light told the SCN, time to be alert, release cortisol. And darkness was the cue for melatonin, the sleep hormone, to prepare the body for rest. But our modern world has created light confusion. We spend our days in dim, artificial light, starving our brains of that strong morning signal. Then at night, we blast our eyes with bright light from phones and TVs. This late-night light screams to our brain, it's still daytime, which shuts down melatonin production. Your internal conductor is confused, and you're left wondering why you can't sleep. The issue isn't that you're bad at sleeping. The problem is your circadian rhythm is out of sync. But we can fix it. Fixing your sleep isn't about one magic trick. It's about 4 powerful daily pillars that give your brain the clear signals it needs. Pillar 1. Anchor your morning with sunlight. This is the single most important habit for better sleep. As soon as you can after waking up, get 10 to 30 minutes of natural sunlight. Here's why. That morning light hits your eyes and signals your master clock, the SCN. This does 2 critical things. First, it triggers a healthy rise in cortisol to make you feel alert. Second, it flips the off switch on melatonin, the sleep hormone. This simple act anchors your entire 24-hour clock, effectively setting a timer for melatonin to rise again about 16 hours later, right when you want to feel sleepy. Actionable tip: within an hour of waking, go outside. You don't need to stare at the sun, just face its general direction. Even on a cloudy day, the light is far more powerful than indoor lighting. If you absolutely can't get out, sit by a bright window. Make this non-negotiable. Pillar 2. Cool down to sleep deep. It's nearly impossible to sleep in a hot, stuffy room, and that's pure biology. To fall asleep and stay asleep, your body's core temperature must drop. This is a natural part of your circadian rhythm. Your body temperature peaks in the afternoon and then declines in the evening to prepare you for rest. A cool room helps this process. If your bedroom is too warm, you're fighting one of your body's most basic sleep signals. The ideal temperature for most people is between 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Actionable tip: set your thermostat to that cooler range, or use a fan. Here's another powerful trick. Take a warm bath or shower an hour or 2 before bed. It seems counterintuitive. When you get out, your body cools down rapidly, mimicking the natural temperature drop that signals your brain it's time for sleep. By the way, if you're finding these science-backed strategies helpful, take a quick second to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel bring more of this content to you. Now, onto the third pillar. Pillar 3. Keep a consistent rhythm. Your brain craves predictability. The most powerful way to stabilize your sleep is to go to bed and wake up around the same time every single day. Yes, that includes weekends. It might be the advice nobody wants to hear, but it's golden. A consistent schedule trains your internal clock. Your body learns to release cortisol and melatonin at the right times, creating a strong and reliable sleep-wake cycle. Sleeping in, even just on Saturday and Sunday, is like giving yourself a mini dose of jet lag. It shifts your clock, so when Sunday night rolls around, your body isn't ready for sleep. This is why Sunday night insomnia is so common. Actionable tip: pick a wake-up time you can stick to 7 days a week. Even after a rough night, get up at your set time. It might be hard for one day, but it will get you back on track for the next night. If you must nap, keep it short, under 30 minutes, and do it in the early afternoon. Pillar 4. Create a darkness bubble. Just as morning light signals wake up, darkness signals sleep. As we discussed, bright light at night, especially blue light from screens, is a disaster for sleep. It slams the brakes on melatonin production, tricking your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This is why a wind-down routine is so critical. The goal is to create a ritual that that lowers stimulation and signals to your body that the day is ending. Actionable tip: create a 1-hour screen-free buffer zone before bed. Dim the lights in your home. Use this time for something calming. Read a physical book under a warm lamp. Listen to relaxing music. Take that warm bath or do some light stretching. Lower the lights, lower the stimulation, and let melatonin work its magic. Bonus section: the alcohol trap. Many people believe a glass of wine helps them sleep, and while alcohol is a sedative that might help you doze off faster, it destroys your sleep quality later in the night. Alcohol suppresses REM sleep, which is critical for processing emotions and memories. This is why you can't sleep for 8 hours after drinking, but wake up feeling exhausted and mentally foggy. If you are serious about improving your sleep, it's best to avoid alcohol, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Conclusion: in the end, great sleep isn't a luxury. It's the foundation of your physical and mental health. It's essential for learning, problem-solving, and emotional well-being. The power to fix your sleep isn't in a pill. It's in your daily rhythm. Let's recap the pillars. 1. Anchor your day with morning sunlight. 2. Keep your environment cool at night. 3. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. And 4. Create a dark, calm wind-down period. Here's a challenge for you. For just 1 week, focus on only 2 things: getting that morning sunlight and waking up at the same time every day. That's it. See how you feel. If this was helpful, subscribe for more science-backed guides to master your mind and body. Your journey to better sleep starts now. Now that you understand how to control your sleep cycle, what's next? To keep exploring how to work with your biology, the next step is to understand the powerful connection between your gut and your brain. That's why a video is linked right here on the surprising link between your gut health and your mental clarity. Click to watch it now.